Looking for that right, coming back in. The sun gets picked in beautifully. Slides it away on a wideish long on slash midwood.
And goes all the way in for 6, so 50 comes up for Button the Sanka.
Effortless, man in century, packs a powerful punch.
This tournament's been a sort of exposure for him. Of course, he gets international exposure. There's so much there. Man, that kid's picked up him. Most front.
Second from time, I thought actually. Taking on each other. Forwards down the over. Pick that up as well, just a little bit leg side. It's gone nice and high. How far has it gone? Far enough.
Didn't want to give him any width. Sanka held his ground, held his balance.
40 balls they've got. That's cracked as well. It's found again. That's another boundary.
Racing to victory.
They waited again. Plenty of time. Got that away for 4.
The scene in this Button the Sanka from Sri Lanka. Little opening batsman that plays all formats. Showing some of these more experienced franchise cricketers exactly what he's made of.